What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release November 18th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. First up, we got the Air Jordan Retro 3 Off Noir releasing November 15th. Next, we got the Air Jordan Retro 2 Origins or Italy releasing November 18th. Then we have the Air Jordan Retro 5 Alma Manier releasing November 22nd. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan Retro 3 Fear releasing November 25th. Now, each release that you see here, plus the one that we're about to review, is shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. Also have full reviews live on the channel if you want to check those out. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we got the standard Jumpman lift top box, flight branding on the top. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 4 Retro SE Craft, medium olive, pale vanilla, size 10.5 we're going to be taking a look at. Go ahead and flip the box lid up. Peel this paper back. Now let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Craft Medium Olive. Now these do not come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into the shoe. Starting off with that top-down view of the shoe, got the all-black sock liner, all-black insole with the pale vanilla Jumpman logo sitting on the top. Now going over to the tongue, black patch, vanilla Jumpman logo sitting on top of the white flight branding, olive green laces, sitting on top of what normally would be the plastic net, which is replaced with a suede tongue mimicking the plastic net design. Now going around to the lateral side of the shoe, as you can see from the toe, we got the nice smooth Durabuck mixed in with the thick nubuck. Got the smoked out waffle lace holders right here on the top and the bottom. Got the nice thick black leather flap. Taking a look at the midsole, got the cream midsole, white air bubble unit, black outsole, which leads us down to the vanilla accent color right here on the toe and the Jumpman. And we got the green herringbone traction on the heel and the green stars right here on the toe. Going around to the heel of the shoe, I got the smoked out black heel tab with the vanilla Jumpman logo sitting on the top. And behind the tongue, we got the black patch with the vanilla Air Jordan branding sitting on the top. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Take our last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Craft Medium Olive. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, they are shipping out now on FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.